Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel 3T10, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup process of this device. So when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with a welcoming screen as this one, and all you need to do is find your desired language under the drop-down, which I'll be sticking with the one that is already selected, and then we can select Start. It will allow us to insert a SIM card, though I'm gonna skip this. You can insert one if you want to. And next page we have Wi-Fi connection, and if we skip this one as well, then the device will not give us option to log into Google account, and additionally date and time will not be set automatically, which I don't really mind, so I'll be setting it up offline from here. It gives us this kind of message here, as you can see, which I mentioned, so you won't be able to sign into Google account. Also restore apps and data, get software updates, and automatically set up date and time. Now, these things can be changed later on once the process is finished by simply going into the settings and, for instance, just finding your Wi-Fi network and connecting to it. So it doesn't really matter that much. Now here's the date and time because it is not being set automatically. So you can fix it up, though it is set correctly to me, and for some reason it still gives me the option to automatically set date and time, which is doing it pretty well. So I'm not exactly sure what the previous message was all about, if this device can do it without a problem. So I'm gonna select Next. And next page we have some Google services like location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't want some of them, you can turn them off like this and go to More and Accept. And this will take us to the next page, which allows us to set up a screen lock. By default, it opts into a 4-digit PIN, but you can change it under screen lock options to pattern or password as additional options. Or if you don't want to use any kind of protection, you can select Skip and then skip anyway. And this finishes up the setup, so just click on Finish and it will take you to home screen. Skip and finish once again. There we go. Now it also asks us for a bunch of permissions right off the get-go, which is a little bit concerning, but we can deny it. So it asks us allow launcher to access your contacts. If you want to, you can. Launcher to access calendar, call logs, media on your device and photos, messages. This launcher needs a lot of different things for no reason. So honestly, I don't know if denying it wouldn't be a better option, because it's not like it's giving us any of those informations right here on this home screen. That's the only reason it would need it, but it's not providing anything like that, so just deny it. But with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.